Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. If your phone's internet feels slower than your motivation on a Monday morning, pages loading forever, YouTube buffering like it is thinking about life, and apps taking their sweet time, then congratulations, you are in the right place. Today, I am showing you how to significantly speed up your Android internet connection using settings that are already built into your phone. No third-party apps, no PC, no tech degree required. But for that, here's a quick overview of what we are diving into. Number 1. Test your current speed. Number 2. Speed up Wi-Fi with DNS. Number 3. Speed up mobile data with APN. So grab your phone, maybe grab a coffee, and let's make your internet stop acting dramatic and start acting fast. At number 1, test your current speed. Before we improve anything, we need a baseline. Otherwise, your phone gets faster and you are just like, I think it worked. Let's actually prove it. Here's what to do. Number 1. Open your browser. Number 2. Type Internet Speed Test. Number 3. Tap any result like Google Speed Test. Number 4. Tap Run Speed Test. Focus mainly on the download speed. That is what controls loading, streaming, and downloading. Take note of that number. We are about to make it jealous of its future self. Number 2. Speed up Wi-Fi with DNS. Now, let us upgrade your Wi-Fi speed using something called DNS. Think of DNS like the internet's contact list. When you open a website, DNS tells your phone where to go. By default, your phone uses your provider's DNS, which is often slow or crowded. Switching to a faster one, like Google's DNS, can make browsing quicker and more stable. Here's how to change it. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Tap Connections or Network and Internet. 3. Select Wi-Fi. 4. Tap the gear icon beside your connected network. 5. Tap the pencil icon. 6. Tap the Advanced Options or View More. 7. Find IP settings and change it from DHCP to static. 8. Now change DNS1 to 8.8.8.8, DNS2 to 8.8.4.4. Number 9. Tap Save. After that, restart your phone so the changes apply properly. Once your phone is back on, run the speed test again. Web pages should load faster, videos buffer less, and downloads stop pretending they are on vacation. Basically, your Wi-Fi just got a performance upgrade without spending a single peso. Number 3. Speed up mobile data with APN. Wi-Fi is not the only thing that can be slow. Mobile data can be just as stubborn. If you use a SIM card, your phone connects through something called an APN or access point name. This controls how your phone talks to your network provider. Let us optimize it. Before we start, make sure a SIM card is inserted. Then, number 1, go to Settings. Number 2, tap the search bar. Number 3, type access point names or APN. If it doesn't show up, simply look for it in the network section. Number 4, select your active SIM's APN. Number 5, scroll down and find authentication type. Now here's the magic part. If it is set to none, try switching to PAP. Save and test your speed. Then try CHAP or CHAP. Save and test again. Whichever gives you the faster result, keep it. Different phones and networks react differently, so this part is all about finding what works best for your device. After that, your mobile data should feel smoother, faster, and less likely to give you buffering trauma. And that's it. With just a few simple changes, updating your DNS for Wi-Fi and tweaking your APN for mobile data, you can enjoy a faster, more stable internet connection without installing anything or buying new hardware. Your phone loads faster, your videos buffer less, and your patience finally gets a break. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, the steps in this video may vary depending on your phone's brand, model, and software version. This content is for general information only. and is not sponsored or endorsed by Google, Android, or any manufacturer. Always check your settings carefully and protect your personal information when following tutorials. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who always complains about slow internet, and hit the subscribe button for more wireless solutions every week. Please don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.